Alrighty, this is going to be our session recap for March 10th. Going straight into the plan, we have trade wedges. Market will remain in balance until it proves otherwise. Fade extremes until proven we are in a condition change. That was what I said for oil. Um, my primary thesis the entire day I operated off of was a response from this bull zone here. Or this bear zone, sorry. So I was basically trying to short these higher pullbacks as we had extremes. And it was quite evident off of the. Let me pull it up. Whoa, that's crazy. Off of the drag down relative volume. So we opened, and you can see just we open with weak volume. We get a little bit of standard volume, and then it just dies. Like it was just I'm seeing this and I'm going, we're an hour and a half into the pit open, and this is the volume we're printing. This is not a convicted market. So really, it was not. It was something I stayed away from for most of the session, because of that. The best opportunities were definitely fading these pullbacks, just with the way I trade. However, there was definitely an opportunity for a what didn't happen situation. So we pull down. We're looking for that. Why do I still use this chart? You pull down, you're looking for this break to this bull zone, and that's your ultimate target. But instead, it doesn't happen and it fails. So what didn't happen? Okay, now we're going to be bullish. That would have been a. Let me see how that lined up actually before I speak on that. Yeah, so that would have been a more advanced right off of VWAP type trade, which I'm staying away from for the time being. Uh, and you could ride that up into the bear zone. So that was that trade. And we'll take a look at ES. Gap fill, looking to fade this rally if we can show signs of failure. So the main plan was to fade the rally on signs of failure. Long is overextended, would be open to longs if we can get above 22. Okay, so we obviously never got above here. Um, and I came into the day looking to fade this overnight rally. Obviously, we ended up getting quite a move down before the market even opened. And this was not something that I was really easy for me to justify. It was it would have been a very advanced trade, so I'm not gonna say I could have caught that move down. I will say though, this was the main opportunity. Best trade of the day in either market for sure would have been after this imbalance fails, right? It accepts under, fails, and now you have a what didn't happen. We didn't break below this. Okay, well now we're buying pullbacks, buying pullbacks, buying pullbacks into this in this bear zone or bull zone, and we ended up rallying right back up to that open up there. Um, Ultimately, the price that made sense with the main narrative would have been right around here. That's probably where I would have where the best place to take it off was, or at least scale out, and then obviously leave that running lot. Um, so that was the main winner for the day for sure was in the ES, and in crude we'll have to monitor it going into tomorrow, and we'll see if we can get a little bit more activity. But I was happy because relative volume is a new tool I'm using, so I was happy to be able to gauge the probability of opportunity, I guess is a good way to call it. The probability that you're going to have good ample opportunity in the session uh, was lower because overall relative volume was lower, participation was lower, the move is going to be lower. So that's my take on the market today. See you tomorrow.